So look, G, with this Black Friday and Cyber Monday stuff, I seen a lot of stuff going down. So I went over to Walmart and I just saw this. It kind of caught my eye when I was in the electronics aisle, right? It's a Surf On tablet for about 40 bucks. It was on sale. I think it go for about 60 regularly or something like that. I was like, it can't be that good, right? It can't be good at all. I can't imagine it. I mean, bro, literally, I swear to God, one of the things that they advertise about here is Bluetooth. I mean, yeah, I would hope so. I just really want to go ahead and roast this thing and see how bad it is. That's about it. But who knows? It could be good. Shit, I don't know. I hope it is. Just shit, I paid 40 bucks for it. Alright, man, check me out. We is back again at the legendary unboxing table. And yes, we got over here a 7-inch Surf On tablet from Walmart. You know what it is. Now, merch, check me out, folks. So this is the Walmart receipt over here. As you can see, Kenosha, Wisconsin. And I paid $41.15 for this thing. That's how much it costs for this tablet. And my only question is it garbage or you think it can hang? Like, let me know in the comments below. How y'all feeling about this thing so far? Now, we here at the Jennings Studios know what a real tablet is like. Yeah, nah, I'm saying. No, for real though. I actually do, like, I got my Tablets 9 Plus over here and I love this thing. And I actually got me a Z Fold 6. Well, that's probably like, what is this, 7 inches, something like that? Somewhere around there. But this is a real tablet over here, all right? This is a real deal, and they come with a keyboard and everything like that, and I use it all the time, so I want to go and see what's up with this. And I even want to see how does this size compare over here to my Z Fold 6. Anyway, we got the Surf On tablet, powered by Android, I will hope so. We got Bluetooth. Oh my God. God damn, they did they thing with this. Damn, they did they shit. They snapped. Would have never thought I would have got Bluetooth on the tablet, but all right. So we got Google Kids Space already pre-installed on here, so that's cool. I'll go ahead and try that out. And then we got Google Play Protect. On the right side, we got Surf On tablet powered by Android, so pretty much the same exact thing all the way around and nothing too special. All right, bet. So we do got some info here in the back. So let's go check this out real quick. We got tablet powered by Android, 7 inches. We got a 7-inch LCD touchscreen, 2.2 gigahertz octa-core processor plus 3 gigs of RAM. Up to 10 hours of battery life for gaming, web browsing, watch videos, and listening to music. We got 32 gigs of storage, so basically you can put about Facebook on there and then you ran out of space, so yeah. Expandable with memory card readers, so that's cool. We got slim and light aluminum body? Damn, we got aluminum body? Okay, Amazon can't even do that shit with their tablets. Damn. Come with Google Kids Space and YouTube Kids apps. All right, bet. So they probably already know you're gonna give this to like your toddler or whatever. We got Android 14 Go Edition. We got the crispy 1024 by 600 resolution IPS LCD touchscreen. God damn, they snap with that. 2 megapixel front-facing camera plus 2 megapixel rear-facing camera. It just get better. But then we got inside the box 7-inch tablet, and then we got something that we don't even get in phones like this, my $2,000 Z Fold 6. We have a charger in the box. Ain't that crazy as fuck, bro? We got a goddamn charger in the box. That's so crazy to see nowadays. I don't even know what to say. Anyway, let's just go ahead and stop yapping. I'm trying to go and get up inside this box. Let me zoom out and let's see. How do we get this open? Melly, you in my way, bro. My dog literally standing right under me. So just open that up right there. And let's go ahead and see here. We just go ahead and slide that out. Amazing packaging, by the way. I'm being sarcastic right now, but how do we get this open? There we go. And as you can see, we have our aluminum tablet. So we got this great On branding because I know you want to just flex this to everybody that you got an On tablet, man. Like, that's just how it is. And then we just got this sticker over here. So it says, let's get started. Here is what you'll need to get set up. And then I'm just going to say charge the battery, connect to Wi-Fi, just stuff that we should already know. And just some other basic info. So let's go and rip that off right there. Oh, yeah, that thing looks so premium. But I'm surprised, though, bro. I'm not even going to hold you. Like, damn, we got aluminum? Okay. And that's probably where the things I'm gonna be impressed about this tablet's gonna end right there. Just the aluminum right there. So let's see if this thing, oh, it do got some charge. Okay, so we got Android Go Edition, as you can see. So it look like we got high there. By there. We don't need right now. So we got speakers here at the bottom. We got a USB-C port. On the right side, we got our volume markers, and then we got a power button. And if we look on the left side, we got our SD card slot. At the top, we just got our microphone. And then if we look here in the back, we got our camera, and we got a flash, surprisingly. So damn, I didn't even expect that. Okay. And then you can see here in the front, we got those bezels. We got our camera at the top, and then we got our 7-inch IPS screen. So let me look at them viewing angles. It ain't really, surprisingly, it ain't that bad. I thought it was going to be worse than that. That's not bad. But all right, let's hit start. You know, I'm going to set this thing up and I'll get back to y'all. All right, so bet we got this thing all set up here as you can see, and there we go. So obviously, like the quality or whatever, I'm using this thing and the touchscreen just feels cheap. So do I really expect this to feel like I just bought something from the Louis store? Hell no, obviously not. It's like a 40-inch. Damn, 40-inch tablet would be crazy. But nah, a $40 tablet, like, you can't expect this to feel like an iPad or a Galaxy tablet, nothing like that. Like, it's literally just a $40 tablet from Walmart. It's an on tablet. And of course, while I was setting this thing up, it has to come with the Walmart app. It's literally downloading right now as we speak, but you can't take it off, which is surprising. But looking at this side by side, as you can see, one screen is obviously gonna be better than the other, and Walmart just downloaded by itself. That's funny as hell. But the Z Fold 6 just a tiny bit shorter. Now, if we do this landscape, it's still a little bit bigger on the Walmart tablet, but still, I would rather use this, obviously, right? It just goes to show you how crazy the evolution got with foldable phones. Like, damn, look at this. Just turns into a phone, and then you can open it up to a tablet like this. Now, at the end of the day, this is just gonna be a cheap little tablet that you want to go ahead and take around with you, maybe, or maybe give to your kid or whatever. Like, that's just what this is made for. Now, if you're getting a tablet for your child, I'd probably just recommend you giving them like an Amazon Fire tablet or something, but at the same time, no, that don't got the Play Store, so you can't get YouTube Kids and nothing like that. Like, trust me, I know. No cap, bro, it's actually mad hard to get the Play Store and YouTube Kids up on the Amazon Fire tablet. Like, it's dumb, and I know a lot of kids that be using the actual YouTube Kids app, so like, you can't get it on there. So I guess something like this probably gonna be your alternative. If you're spending $40, I don't think it's gonna hurt you that much. Like, it's just a cheap tablet to get them by. And let's go and check out that camera over here. So this is what everybody talk about when they say, oh, it's that Android camera quality. Yes, this shit right here. Look at this. This looks crazy, bro. Look at this over here. Let me just go and flip this around real quick. Oh, yeah, that thing crispy right there. Okay, I see you, Trail. Trizzy Trail in the building. Look at that right there. Okay, so it's actually a little bit smoother than I thought. Now, I didn't install no apps or anything like that yet, but, I mean, just scrolling around, it don't really seem like it's lagging a lot. Now, while I slide back over here to the pool table of greatness, why shouldn't you buy something like this over a Tablet 9 or a Tablet 10 Plus or something like that? Because you'll be dumb as hell if you thought buying a bicycle over a Lexus RX would be a good idea. And with that being said, man, hopefully you enjoyed this. Appreciate you for coming through. But for right now, it don't seem like a bad deal at all, man. Like, I mean, 32 gigs of storage ain't really gonna be shit. But like, how much stuff you really gonna put up on here for real? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. Or go follow me on my social media, Eddie Tentic on Instagram and X and Facebook, but Instagram and X the most active. And I think Walmart might have actually did something this time. So for the $60, I don't really know about that. But $40 right now, which is going for my Walmart and like the Walmarts around here, that's not bad at all. If you can, go ahead and catch one, because I mean, it's not a bad deal right now. And if you're trying to get one, you better get to step into your Walmart, bro, because it seems like they snatching these up quick. But with that being said, man, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get it with y'all later. Why is there a sheriff here? Okay, that's weird. All right, y'all. Peace.